In this video, we will learn about the quick concepts in photosynthesis. Let's start. First of all, what is photosynthesis? Observe this image here. Formation of glucose, that is carbohydrates. Formation of carbohydrates, that is glucose, from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll molecules is known as photosynthesis. And which factors affecting photosynthesis? That is, the factors needed for photosynthesis, we can divide them into two types. Number one is external factors, and the second one is internal factors. Here we can observe what factors needed for photosynthesis. These four factors overall we can divide into two broad categories. Number one is external factors and second one is internal factors. In external factors, light, carbon dioxide, other factors like temperature, water, etc. comes under external factors. And internal factors means chlorophyll, the leaves. This comes under internal factors. The site of the photosynthesis. Where does this photosynthesis occurs? Photosynthesis occurs in double membrane bound chloroplasts. Double membrane bound chloroplast cell organelles. Chloroplast consists of stroma, grana, the grana thylakoids, and stroma lamellae. These thylakoids in turn contains photosynthetic pigments. These thylakoids in turn contains photosynthetic pigments. What are those photosynthetic pigments? These are the leaf. We can observe the chloroplasts under a microscope like this. And the photosynthetic pigments are basically two types. They are chlorophylls, carotenoids, and another one is phycobilins. In this class, we will learn only about the chlorophylls. That is, these chlorophylls are basically two types. That is chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. These chlorophyll molecules in the thylakoids are arranged as a LHC system. It is light harvesting complexes. These photosynthetic pigments are arranged as a LHCs, that is light harvesting complexes. These light harvesting complexes are again basically two types, that is photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. This is the model of light harvesting complex system. Here it is known as a reaction center. When the light is absorbed in the reaction center in the form of photons, the reaction center activates the pigment molecules and the electron is transferred to the primary electron transporters, various electron carrier molecules. In photosystem 1, the reaction center includes P700. In photosystem 2, the reaction center includes P680. These are the basic two differences between light harvesting complexes. And finally, mechanism of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is an anabolic reaction, that is synthesis of carbohydrates from small molecules. This includes mainly two phases. Number one is light dependent reactions or light phase, and this is also called as photochemical phase. Photochemical phase, and second one is biosynthetic phase. Biosynthetic phase or the Calvin cycle. In light dependent reaction, we can observe again two stages. The number one stage is photolysis or photolysis. Water molecule is broken down into oxygen and hydrogen by absorbing the light energy. Absorbing the light energy, it produces the free electron molecules, and these free electron molecules in turn transfer to the various electron carriers present in the thylakoid membrane. Finally, water splits into oxygen that is released into outside environment. And second phase is photophosphorylation. Electrons released in photolysis of water are used for production of ATP and NADPH. These two are known as assimilatory powers. In light dependent reaction, water is split into oxygen and electrons, and the ATP and NADPH assimilatory powers are produced. And the second phase is biosynthetic phase. It is also called as the Calvin cycle. It is called as light independent reaction that occurs in stroma, and the light dependent reactions occurs in grana thylakoids. In this biosynthetic phase, by utilizing these ATP and NADPH, carbon dioxide is reduced to carbohydrate by forming intermediate glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. In this manner, from carbon dioxide and water, carbohydrate molecules are produced in photosynthesis. This is a very quick review for photosynthesis. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.